What's up, YouTube family? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. As usual, it's a beautiful day here in the coastal area of Maharashtra. Blue skies, perfect weather. I'm gonna explore a abandoned boat. This one, it's been lying here for I don't know how long, but it looks really old. So let me hop in and show you guys how it looks inside. Okay. All right. So this is the interior of the boat. Let's check it out. I hope nothing breaks inside. So yeah, this is how it looks like inside, and I can see some mushroom growing there. Let me take you inside. It looks like a fiber boat. All right. So yeah. Wow, look at the engine. It looks like a really rusty engine. Yeah. You see, it's like peeling off. It's getting weathered by the wind and the salty atmosphere. Wow. Check that out. There's some water that's like stagnant inside there. Alright, let's go to the other side. Yeah, look at it. The entire place is like kind of crumbling, so I gotta be like really careful, you know. Oh my god. Alright, there's another view of the engine section, and this looks like the storage area where they store all the fishes. And yeah, it looks like the captain's cabin here. You can see all those rusted sockets and stuff. There's a nice little tube light up here. All right, so this entire compartment looks like where the ship's captain operated the boat. All right. So yeah, this is a better view. You can see all these creepers growing on it and stuff. Wow, it looks nice and amazing. And there's another boat here, you know. But this doesn't look like it's abandoned. It looks like it's just kept stored away. Maybe it's not the fishing season. All right, so let me show you inside this section of the captain's cabin. Wow, look at those machines. And there's a picture of a god there. All right, let me show you a better view. Yeah. Wow, this is crazy. All right, so that was the mini tour of the place. I hope you guys liked it, and stay tuned for more. Yeah, peace.